Be like a camera, focus on your goals and blur the rest. Photography as we know it today began in the late 1830s in France. The history of photography included the camera obscura, early optics, developing a first film timeline, first photograph, and photojournalism. Camera obscura, also referred as pinhole image, is the natural optical phenomenon that occurs when an image of a scene at the other side of the screen is projected through a wall in that screen as a reversed and inverted image. The term camera obscura is also referred as the constructions or devices that make use of the principal box. Evolution of the camera. Louis perfected it in 1836 after the death of his partner Joseph. He covered a copper plate with silver and exposed it to iodine vapor to make it light sensitive. The plate was developed by the exposure to the mercury vapor. When they were introducing in 1871, gelatin dry plates allowed the cameras to be made smaller while maintaining the quality. In 1900, he introduced an iconic camera named the Brownie, which was popular and it remained for sale in various forms until the 1960s. Camera obscura devices took up the entire rooms by 17th century developments lead to the portable devices. Further advancements like the invention of the magic lantern further pushed what was possible with projection, but didn't solve the issue of the capturing still images. German author and expert on light wrote extensively about the camera obscura, magic lantern, telescope and the lenses. Technology became popularized in 17th and 18th centuries when artists used them to help projects drawings there could trace them. But there was no actual way to preserve the image. This is why Joseph with inventing the camera, because in 1860 he started capturing images. Elements of photography: line, shape or form, space, value, texture and color. Of photography: black and white and all the grays in between, dark to light, can add drama and impact to composition, can give a sense of timelessness, train your eye to read color as black and white. Proofreading. When somebody proofreads your work, they are tasked with marking out the written errors. These errors may be grammatical, there might be spellings, types, and the usage of words. Editing. Editing is a deeper process that may include proofreading, but it is also checks for other writing elements and often involves deeper changes. Revise, add, remove, move, substitute. Edit, capitalization, usage, punctuation, and spelling. This is how photography is edited. The first person who managed to make a photographic snapshot constant, that is to fix the image of the Joseph. The first very person snapshot in the first history of photograph is considered as the view from the window dated in 1826. The exposure of the shot lasted 8 hours. The first person who invented negative was Fox Talbot. This event occurred in 1839. In the same year, Bayard, the first positive print to the world. First photographic paper was made up of asphalt. More precisely, it is called as varnish, was applied on the copper or the glass plate. Camera obscura, which became the prototype of the modern camera, is used up as this day for the production of the integrated circuits. The first color photograph was taken in 1861 by James Maxwell, the British physicist. Appearance of the first plates of color photography dated back to 1904, produced by the company Lumiere. The first aerial photography was carried out by French inventor Tournage in 1858. He shot Paris from the balloon. The first photos in Russia were made by Fritzo using the method of Talbot. The first color photograph in Russia was published in Memoirs of Russian Technical Society. Leo Tolstoy is captured on it. In Russia, the first camera based on the theory of Gregkov in 1840, that is a year after the invention of photography. Gregkov also made experiments with photographs by the method of Talbot on the light sensitive paper. The first portrait by the electric light was made in 1879 by Levitsky, which required the exposure of 15 seconds. The first cassette, one of the prototypes of the modern photographic film, which had 12 sheets of light-sensitive paper and respectively 12 shots, weighed 15 pounds. The basis of a digital camera was invented in 1973. It was a charge-coupled device with which it was possible to obtain an image size of 100 into 100 pixels. The story of digital photo begins with camera Mavica, produced by the company Sony in 1981. Mavica is almost a full SLR with interchangeable lenses and resolution of 5090 pixels. But then it was considered a static camera, the result of which was not the video but static images, the shots. Officially, the world's first digital camera is the development of the company Kodak. Stephen Cassin, the invented camera, recorded an image of an audio cassette tape. The time of recording images from the moment you press the button was 22 seconds. The term megapixel was first used in 1984. The world's first autofocus SLR camera was produced by Polaroid in 1979, and in 1985 Minolta produced a camera. Is photography a good career? Well, photography is both a science and an art. It is about artistic expression where the camera will replace the pen and paint or tell a story without the words. Photographers need to have many abilities. The most important ones are such as visualization, arm-hand steadiness, idea generation and originality. There are a multitudes of fields that a photographer can go into. With all of these fields, a person has a wonderful chance of doing anything they want a photography degree. Portrait photographers take pictures of individuals or group of people and often work in their own studios. Some specialize in weddings or school photographs or directly on the location. Press photographers or photojournalists supply pictures to the national and local press, magazines or television. They must be versatile with an ability to photograph all kinds of subjects. They must have journalistic instincts, know what makes good news pictures, be able to write accurate captions, work well with the reporters, be quick and often work under difficult conditions. The photography career can be challenging and it may give you a hard time if you are not passionate about it. Good photography skills come with a lot of practice and hard work. The types of photography that is most in demand are landscape, architecture, wildlife, fine art, photojournalism, mono that is black and white, or macro photography. Here are the steps in which you can become a photographer. Photograph small businesses, teach photography, sell digital or printed copies of your work, sell your photos on stock, create a photography blog, invest in your art, conduct photography tours and workshops, become a social guru. To make this process easier, quicker and more consistent, Development presets are very convenient to use. They enable you to turn on your images in stunning pieces of artwork with just one click.